Bolivia, the threat of the Omicron variant of the novel coronavirus has led to increased demand for booster shots of the vaccine. Our correspondent, Freddy Morales, has the details.
The third or booster dose of the vaccine against the novel coronavirus in view of the warnings about the threat of the Omicron variant that is beginning to worry a large part of the planet. This stock we had, the vaccine, had been administered quickly in 1 week. 10,000 vaccines have been administered. We did not expect this speed in the vaccination process, so the establishments have been short of doses, not because there was no vaccine, but because they had run out. In this sense, we have received 61,000 doses more. For the moment, Bolivia has dismissed the possibility of closing its borders, as most of its neighbors have done, but a massive vaccination campaign is promoted as a preventive measure. People who are in intensive care did not get vaccinated, and it is unfortunate because their families are suffering. They regret not telling their mothers and fathers that they should get vaccinated. The same with young people, and we must not lower our guard at this time. We must try to take safety measures, especially towards the end of the year celebrations. Case control and follow-up measures are also reinforced through the application of tests free of charge. The more people infected with the virus, the greater the chances of more variants. Hence, Bolivian brothers and sisters, the need to maximize biosecurity measures, and it is very important to be transparent with the information. But the commitment remains to the most universal formula, the prevention of infection. Containment through biosecurity measures, use of mass social distancing, ventilation of environments, frequent hand washing, and above all vaccination, which is available for 100% of the vaccinable population in our country. Since the first case was confirmed in March 2020, the country has recorded almost 550,000 cases, of which 1,276 have died. For the past 2 weeks, the so-called fourth wave has been affecting Santa Cruz, with more than 60% of the more than 1,000 new cases reported every day. About 60% of the population over 12 years of age has received 2 doses of a vaccine.
Freddy Morales, teleSUR, Bolivia.